talk about alcoholism and ADHD. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Rachel. I am a neuroscientist. So alcohol use disorder and ADHD are very commonly found together. One study put the number at something like 45% of adults with ADHD also present symptoms of alcohol use disorder. Some researchers believe that people who have ADHD self-medicate with alcohol to, number one, fill the dopamine void in their ADHD brain. Number two, to deal with some of the other symptoms related to ADHD, like chronic boredom, restlessness, or anxiety, for example. The second hypothesis is really related to impulsivity. People who have ADHD often struggle with impulsivity, and one of the things that makes the list of impulsive behaviors is substance use or alcohol use. The trouble is that over the long term, alcohol actually does exacerbate symptoms or traits associated with ADHD. The more you drink alcohol, the more you're going to struggle with cognitive function and concentration, right?